about to see what Santa left us overnight. This should be exciting. I'm sure it is very messy.
She recording it.
I'm sure y'all know there's no mail delivery today. You gotta be kidding me.
Look, you guys see
One second.
Go look at the back. Oh, the whole bunch.
Wow. This is what Santa left us, guys. Check this out. That's my car. As you can see, my whole front wheel is nearly covered. Let's see, how will I get out of that? This will definitely be an adventure. Look across the street. It looked like their whole front door is snowed in. That's going to be an adventure too. This is just too much to handle.